Propagate can be used to copy complex nodes of multiple walls and slabs coming together. Sometimes using Propagate Planar in multiple directions can create incorrect nodes where these different entities come together. Let's take a look at this situation. Here we have outer walls connecting with a floor slab, inner walls connecting with outer walls, and inner walls connecting with the floor slab. We'll first design the connection of the floor slab and an outer wall using direct modeling. Now we'll create the connection of an inner wall with the floor slab. We'll propagate this situation so that all inner walls have this same connection. Let's create a new section to check whether the other wall is now correctly connected to the floor slab. We'll do the same for the connection of the inner walls with the outer walls. We want the inner wall to protrude through some layers of the outer wall. We'll use Propagate again to make sure all the inner walls connect properly to the outer walls. If we now use Propagate again to copy the connection of the outer wall and the floor slab, we'll see that the locations where the inner walls come together with the outer walls are not propagated correctly. This is because this is a different situation, and Propagate does not recognize this as a possible location where this detail can be applied. This is where Propagate Corner comes in handy. We can select the entities of the location where the node is correct and use this to propagate to all other locations.